Hey everyone! There is a new feature that Google just released where you can actually see line item editors in Google Docs. So instead of going to version history and trying to track through who edited what, you can come down here and highlight text and then right click, do show editors. And the last edit will pop up immediately, but then you can click on show more. And then once it loads, it will show everyone who's edited in that paragraph or sentence. As another example, I'm just going to highlight all of this, right click again, show editors. Again, the last edit shows up first, but I can click show more. And anyone who has edited this highlighted section will show up in this list. I can also go directly and see version history. And it'll do the usual when you select version history from file version history and have this pop out over here to the side. But as you can see, these are all the edits that have been made through the version history. So again, with this new feature, I'm able to look and view specific points in my document, who's been editing and what has been edited.